Hey what's up guys, this is IceFrog 3Pack here doing a quick review on some lightning cables. So this is IceFrog's 3-pack 5-foot long lightning cable. So it's a little bit longer than your typical 3.3 foot long cables. But the biggest selling point about these cables is that they're really durable. So they have these nylon braided cables that are definitely really strong and they're meant to resist all that wear and tear. And then when the cables start meeting to the lightning and USB connectors, it is also reinforced with, I assume, aluminum because it is a metal material. So you can see here I'm trying to do some stress tests on it, trying to bend it, see how well it would hold up to some, rough pullouts or whatever. And it seems to be holding up well. I can't say the same thing for every cable. There are definitely some that are not as reinforced as this, so this is good to go. In addition to the cables, it does come with a single cable management system, which is basically this semi-velcro thing here. But unfortunately, it only works if you bundle the cable up kind of narrowly, so you have to put it in this circular fashion. It's a much more hassle than it's worth. So honestly, when I try to clean the cables up a little bit, I just use the included little white rubber band to hold it in place. So this pack of 3 lightning cables can be had for Amazon for $10, which is a pretty reasonable price considering the durability of this thing. However, I must point out that it's not Apple Mfi Certified. However, I've never had that error message show up that it was incompatible or anything like that. It's able to support fast charging. I was able to charge it normally as I always would, and I'm also able to sync it normally with iTunes, so that's not a problem at all. However, what is a little bit of a problem is how thick the end of the lightning cable is. So it's able to plug into my iPhone with its case on, but it's not able to plug into my iPad with its keyboard case on. So it's not fully compatible with all cases. So unfortunately, it does lose a little bit of that competitive edge being not able to be compatible with all cases. So unfortunately, I have to drop the rating a little bit. But other than that, if you're a person who has, say, a wider opening in your cases and maybe you don't even use cases, you use skins or something like that, and you're looking for 5-foot long braided cables, you can definitely pick this up. I think it's a great value otherwise. They also come in other colors besides this bright red. I just picked the bright red because I think it's much easier to spot in case I drop it somewhere. But as usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can pick this up if you want at the cheapest price. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, IceFrog 3Pack, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, IceFrog 3Pack. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is IceFrog 3Pack. Thanks for watching.